If you love creating colouring pages using Ideogram, well, I have something which I want to share with you, and this is my 100 Ideogram Mandala prompts. Now, if you want to check this out, I'll link it down in the description below, and that will take you to here. Now, I'm making this video because I've recently updated all of this, and I've added even more prompts. So before, there was just over 100, but now there's 180 mandala prompts. Now there's 30 for intricate, 30 for simple, 30 for flowers, 30 for Valentines, and this is a new one which I've actually also added. Then we have Christmas and Halloween as well. Now with this you actually get the Google Doc, which we're going to go through in a second, and a how-to video on actually how to use these prompts. Now, if you do want this, all you have to do is come to here where it says name a fair price, click in 0, and then click on I want this, and then just go through the process. Now, all the prompts that I create, I actually use my own custom made prompt generators. Now, this one is my patterns generator, which creates mandalas, geometric, stained glass, and mosaic prompts. And this is inside the ultimate colouring page prompt generator, which is this just here. Now, as you can see, these are all of the GPTs that you get inside it. Now, if you want to check this out as well, I'll link this down in the description. But let's come over to here. Now, these are all of the designs, all of the mandalas that you actually get within the Google Doc. Now, let's actually go ahead and go through these. In fact, let's click on one. So these are some of the Valentine's Day ones, and these look absolutely insane. Now, within the Google Doc, I actually went through, retested all of the prompts. Now I did this because the images within the Google Doc didn't really represent well enough what the prompts now do with Ideogram 3.0. Now I know that 3.0 has been out for a while now, but I didn't realise just how great the mandalas are, as you're going to see right now. So let's just go ahead and go through these so you can see what the images look like from the prompts within the Google Doc. Now, all of these are Valentine's Day ones, and as you can see, they're absolutely flawless. Now, we're just going to keep going through these. I really liked this one. This is with the keys and the padlock as well, but we're just going to go through these just so you can get a quick idea of what these actually look like. This one turned out amazing as well. Now, I'll go through these fairly quick just so you can see them, because again, they are absolutely flawless. Now, I'm really loving creating mandalas using Ideogram 3.0. Now, let's go through these a little bit quicker. In fact, let me just go off that. I will just go through them like this. You can pause the video and take a look if you want. So that way you can just see all of them. Now, we do have Halloween and Christmas in here still, even though that has been and gone now, but I wanted to keep these in here because if you look at these just look amazing. I am absolutely blown away what 3.0 does with mandalas. Now these ones are a little bit more simple, as you can see, but they also look good as well. Then we have some intricate, more Halloween. Now this isn't quite a mandala, but nonetheless, it does look really good. So let's just keep going through these, and then I'll go through the Google Doc as well. So we have gingerbread men one. These turned out really great as well. This reindeer, and as you can see, there's lots and lots of designs. Now these turned out to be one of my favorites. I really liked this, along with this one as well. Again, all of these prompts are in the Google Doc, and if you do want to check it out, the link will be down in the description below. Now these really simple ones turned out really great as well, as you can see. But let's just keep going through these. I think that's all of them. These right here, these aren't part of the Google Doc. These are something else which I've been working on, and if you want me to create a video about these, then drop a comment down below, just put in video, because if we take a look at these turned out really nice. But again, these aren't in the Google Doc, these are completely different. But nonetheless, let's scroll back up to the top and let's come back over to the Google Doc. Now, this is what you're going to get, and that is 100 plus ideogram mandala prompts. I believe there's 180. So you get intricate, simple, flowers, Valentine's, Christmas, and Halloween. And if we look here, there's 30 on each. Now over here, all you have to do is simply click on this and it will take you to those prompts. Now, one thing I do want to quickly note as well, because I recently updated this, the Google Doc, the video in here isn't the same Google Doc, obviously, because I just updated. But everything I speak about within the video of this little freebie is still highly relevant. Let's come on to here. So let's go on to the intricate. Here's the intricate. You can see they look really nice and the prompt is underneath. So that's intricate. We have simple as well. These ones turned out just extremely well. Again, I'm completely blown away at what Ideogram can now do with mandalas. Then if we click onto the flowers, we can take a quick look at these as well. And as you can see, they do look really good. Now, some of these don't quite have a white background, but that's not a problem because if you remove the background and turn these into SVGs, they just look stunning. Let's click onto the Valentine's Day as well. These ones are just amazing with the padlocks, the hearts, look, the cupcakes and the sweet arrows, absolutely flawless. Then we have the Christmas ones, which also turned out extremely well, and also Halloween. So, as you can see, that's 180 ideogram mandala prompts, and for a few different niches. Now, if you decide to get this, then please be aware you're probably going to lose some hours over in Ideogram playing around with these, because this is absolutely addictive once you get going. But again, I'm literally just blown away on how perfect mandalas come out now with Ideogram. Because again, if we take a look, they're just absolutely flawless. Now, you might get a few which don't look very great at all, but then once you rerun the prompt a couple of times, they do get better. Now look at this one. The bouquet is absolutely flawless with the leaves, the petals. The mandala on the outside is absolutely flawless as well. And if we take a look at this one with the swans, again, just absolutely flawless. The design, look at that. There's no weird bits on the design. Everything's all lined up. This one's symmetrical. The swans look amazing as well. And it's the same with the majority of these. Now, this one looked slightly off on these little edges on the outside, but it still looks really, really good. And this one as well. All of them. They're just absolutely insane. So again, if you do want to come and check this out, I'll link this down in the description below. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, well, click right here and have a watch of this.